Good morning, children. We're going to start with the new grammar topic today, and our topic is articles. There are three articles, children: a and the. These three are called articles. Children, as you all know, that there are 26 letters in our alphabet. Out of those 26 letters, these five letters A, I, O, U are called vowels, and the rest of the letters like B, C, G, H, F, M, D, etc. are called consonants. Okay, so first five are called vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and rest are called consonants. Now we are going to start with our first article, that is a. A is used before a single or a one thing or a person. And the another condition is that the word should start with a consonant. Now, for example, a mat. Now, M is a consonant over here, and we are talking about only one mat. Means there's only one mat. If it is mats, then we'll not put a. Since it is only one mat and it is starting with the consonant M, so we'll put a mat. Another example is a book. Now B is a consonant over here and we are talking about only one book, so we'll write article a. So a book. Our next article is an. Same way it is used before one or a single thing, but another condition is which has a difference is that the word should start with the vowel over here. For example, an orange. So O is a vowel and we are talking about only one orange, so we'll put an orange. But make sure you see the first letter of the word. If it is a consonant, you will put a, and if it is a vowel, you will put an. Another example is an eagle. E is again a vowel over here, and one eagle, so we'll put an eagle. But there are exceptions, children. Like if we talk about word university, although it is starting with the vowel, but the sound of vowel is not there. When we pronounce this word, just think carefully. We say university. Okay, it is not a sound of vowel. Although we are starting with the vowel, but it is not. Sound is not of vowel. So for word university, we will not write an. According to the condition, we should write an because it is starting with the vowel. But we are not using an over here. We are using a university. We'll write a university because y sound is there. So whenever any word starts with the vowel but the sound is of y, we write a, not an. Clear? Same way we'll come to the third one. 1 rupee coin. I have dash 1 rupee coin. Although we are starting with the vowel, O is a vowel, but sound is not of a vowel. Okay, sound is of v, 1 rupee. So again we'll put a over here. So whenever there are words which starts with the sound of y or v, but in writing they have first letter as a vowel, we'll write a, not an. So these are the exceptions, children. A university, a 1 rupee coin. And the third one is honest. This is very common word. Although it starts with a consonant, but when we pronounce this word, the sound comes of O, that is a vowel. Okay, honest, honest. We don't pronounce it as honest. H is silent over here. Although it is starting with a consonant, but sound of vowel is there. So we'll write an honest man. An honest man. So these three are the exceptions, children. Keep them in mind. A university, a 1 rupee coin, an honest man. Okay. This was all about a and an. Now we come to the third article, that is the. Children, the is used for before some proper nouns which are very special or which are only one in this world, like sun, moon, earth. These are the things which are only one. Okay, single, special. So the is also used before the names of special things like rivers, names of the rivers. Okay, names of the famous buildings, for example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Okay, then Oceans, names of the oceans, then seas, then heavenly bodies, like here we have written the sky. Okay, it is also the is also used before the names of the religious books, like the Bible, the Quran, all these. And children, the is also used at one very important place when we repeat the noun. In place of a or an, when we repeat the noun, we use the. Like, just listen to this example very carefully. I bought a bag. When you bought this bag was not special. It was a common bag, like you bought a bag. Okay? But when we are going to talk about that bag for the second time, that bag will become special. Like, the bag is big in size. So in the same sentence, when we are talking about the noun for the second time, we use the. But for the first time, we'll see the letter of that first letter of that word, whether it is consonant or vowel. According to that, we'll put a or an. But when we talk about the same noun in for the second time in the same sentence, then it will become special, and we'll write the. Okay. I hope you have understood the lesson, children. Please go through the video twice or thrice. Thank you.